the movie. Another badder than Shatta. Badder. I'm about to go meet these Colombian motherfuckers. Give them some of this shit right here. And then we'll collect a whole lot of drugs. Get on the boat. But me have a little pussy over there. Just I'm a drive me down.
Yet for be the bearer of bad news, but it's actually confirmed that Louis Rankin, aka Teddy Brockshot, has passed away. So he met in an accident in Canada and he actually passed away. Now that video that you just saw, he uploaded yesterday with this caption that's on the screen right now. The original Dan Dada on set shooting a major movie in Toronto, and he tagged some people. Now, you know, everybody has an RIP. You have like people like Safari, Tory Lanez, and even the Shade Room themselves post it. I thought the big Shade Room, the American Shade Room. So you know, say it's confirmed, because them people they are going to post something only if they have the proper information, accurate information. And upon like Tory Lanez, you would know, because him in a Canada, and you know him going to have people where him can reach, where got their own Teddy Brockshot like that. Likewise, Safari are going to have people where you can actually get the proper information from. So, Jano, it's very, very sad, may I tell you. We lose a good one. You know what I mean? My condolences to his family and friends. My deepest condolences to his family and friends. I know Jamaica are going to miss you, and the rest of Ireland are going to miss you, my G. Don't know. You was a real one. You see what I say? Also, there was people like Nicky Z and Deli Ranks who also made a post about Louis Rankin. So we're going to just look where the Shade Room post say. Them just recently post this, at least with the time when we get it, them they just post it. And then we're going to look on what some of the other people them say. So the Shade Room post, and they said, celebs react to reported passing of dancehall legend Louis Rankin, who is also known for his role in Belly and Shatters. He was reportedly killed in a car accident. And along with that, they post what Tory Lanez and Safari said. So Tory Lanez said, R.I.P. Louis Rankin. Oh my gosh, my childhood Teddy Brockshot. We will always love you, man. F this, just F me up. And then Safari just say, R.I.P. to a legend, and him tag Louis Rankin. Deli Ranks made this post and say, R.I.P. Axe Rankin, original Dan Dada, a.k.a. Teddy Brockshot. And then last but not least, Nicky Z made a post and said R.I.P. King, and she tagged Louis Rankin. So please get in the comment box, send your condolences. Very sad day, very sad day. Rest in peace, Teddy Brockshot. You don't know. So may I say, forever in the hearts of Jamaican and Caribbean people. You do it big for you all away. I feel like I can say that for a lot of people. So may I say, I feel like a lot of people out there would feel the same way, like he did a great deal for we. You see what I say? Put up on the map. Because Shatta's a big thing, you see what I say? And film character in that movie was a big deal, you see what I say? So, please get in the comment box, you know, send your RIPs and thing. And if you haven't liked and followed this page, please like and follow the page. Thank you.